down the first one, the second one. That's the spare. Or spare, yeah. What happened was the first one, it's stuck in my thumb when I did that.
I guess technically that would be.
Gotta work in the actor, Andy. 6-second rule. It's still there. Okay, that's garlic. Seared in some olive oil.
Hey everyone, so this is the start of finals week in my life vlog / last week of school. It is currently 5:31 p.m. on Sunday, May 5th. There we go. I am currently driving to Decorah right now because I am in a community orchestra. I already told them I'm going to be late. I had a rope band training session from 3 to 5 today. So I went to that, and it was our last training session before the summer and before recruitment starts, so that's really exciting. Also, it is like pouring rain outside. I'll show you in a minute. That's why I'm not wearing my sweatshirt. I had to sprint from Rod Library to my car, which was parked far away, so I had to take off my glasses and put them in my bag and sprint in the pouring rain because I didn't have an umbrella because I was like, didn't want to be super late. I had to go get my base and put it in my car, so that took also a minute of me in the rain. Oh yeah, I'm not wearing a sweatshirt because it was soaked and it was making me uncomfortable, so. Hey guys, so right now it is 3:03 p.m. and I am getting ready to go to work, and I can't really tell you where I work because like it's in our policy thing that we can't, but I am a hostess now at a restaurant up in my college town. I'm gonna go to work for a little while and then I'll see you guys later. Good morning everyone. I literally kind of like woke up a little bit ago. It's currently 8:51 a.m. May, almost said April, whoa, 7th. I have a final at 10. And I should probably study for a little bit. Hey, comment down below if I made you yawn doing that. That would be funny. So today I have my last final, and that's for my Africa class. And then I have a chiropractor appointment. And I have my classical jury tonight, so that's exciting. And then after that, I'm basically done with my sophomore year of college, which is really crazy to me. And then tonight my little friend group is doing a pizza party. It is now 10:31 and I just got out of my Africa final, so that was my last final of my sophomore year. It went okay. I didn't remember much, but I just have my juries tonight, so I'm gonna go back and do some laundry and then I'll be done. for my finals week vlog.
Oh, that's fine.
See,
I just didn't know if I should talk. Hi.
Hey everyone, it is currently 10:02. I woke up at 9 because I had to get my dress. 2 of my friends borrowed my dresses for our formal. I'm just waiting for my mom to come. I'm currently packing up my stuff, cleaning out the fridge and everything. But it's like pouring rain outside and I need you guys to see this. Like, it's insane. I don't know if like you can see it or not, but it's just pouring straight down. Yeah, it is just downpouring right now. Job, except this one would be on campus, and it went pretty well. They said that I have a very charming interview, so that was great. So I'll find out on Friday if I got that. But after I got back from there, I played some Mario Kart with my friend Caitlin, and I'm going to this thing called Gnome Quest, which is like a game that we're gonna play for the school music. But I went to go back in my room, and the door is locked. So my roommate left without asking if I had my keys, and she locked the door. So I had to call her and she's on her way back, but I find that really funny that she locked me out of my room and I don't have my ID to like go down to the front desk and say like, hey, I need to get into my room, and that's just great. So I'm sitting on the floor charging my phone right now while I'm waiting for her to come back so I can get in my room.
Stay still for those 5 minutes. Same thing with the stun. If you get stunned by the bat or the ball, have you guys been explaining the bat and the ball?
Yep.
Okay, so if you get stunned by any of that, then stay still for either the 5 Mississippi or the 10 Mississippi.
Stuff on this table and start practicing. Hudson and University.
Hudson
University, 23rd.
The Hill, University, and 23rd.
All
The whole campus.
Yay!
Wait, does that include in the quads?
But not in building.
Where'd you
Not in
Not in building.
What about on building?
And then
Try
not to cross parking lots, try not to cross streets.
Not
Again,
inside
don't be a douche. If someone's waiting for a car to pass and you're about to tag them, be like, give them a couple Mississippis before they let them go.
No, we run. Or just set yourself. That's what I'm doing.
Or did you like
I'm leading this. I'm leading practice.
You don't know? You don't remember?
All right. And go.
This game right now called Gnome Quest. And basically what we have to do is find this gnome, but it's really a spider pig, and it's like a mixture of capture the flag and zombie tag. And it's really intense. It's whole campus. It's actually pretty fun, but I'm trying to find that gnome. I have no clue where it is. Wish me luck. So I just want to show you guys, this is the aftermath of playing Gnome Quest. My hands are super dirty, my arm's a little cut up a little bit. My pants are just gone. Sorry. Like, it's so bad. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 9:07 a.m. Friday, May 10th. Today is our official move-out day. Just finishing packing everything up. I don't get to move in to my house until Sunday, and the last day move out of the dorms is Saturday, so I'm living with my roommate in her apartment that she's living in over the summer for 2 days, starting today. We're both moving out, so I'm finishing packing up. So now starts a series of montages that you guys get to watch, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. And I apologize, yeah, I know this video is a lot of montages, but it's finals week and it's packing up, so, you know, might as well make it fun.
And that is, everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
More than I can say, do it to me, I can say. More than I can say, do it to me, I can say. More than I can say, do it to me, I can say. More than I can say, do it to me, I can say. More than I can say, do it to me, I can say. More than I can say, do it
somehow was able to fit everything in my car. We're filled to the brim here, y'all. You can't really see because of the lights, but filled to the frickin' brim. And just like that, everything is out of the room. This is insane. Let's just flash back when we were moving into the room. It's been a heck of a year. A lot happened this year, and there's a lot more to come. You guys will learn about what happened this year and learn about what's to come in the next video. So thank you guys. Seriously, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I didn't know it was gonna be so long. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's been an amazing year. Make sure to follow my social media so you can catch up and see what I'm doing this summer. It is right here and linked down below as well. And then also subscribe to my channel to see all the amazing videos coming up, especially some of the videos that you will be seeing when I study abroad this summer. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.